So I think about, man, I'm going to have this great lesson, and I plan this great lesson. And my lesson is going to be breaking them up into groups. And an alarm should go off in my head right away. And what alarm is that? Do they have the capability to work in groups? So I have the greatest lesson plan, but the way I'm going to deliver it might result in a lot of really awful behaviors because I haven't upfronted my lesson plan. So I like to make 2 columns in my grade book or my lesson plan book when I actually put them on paper. And I divide it into 2 columns. And on one side I put what are the academic skills the child needs to have to engage in this lesson. And then the other column is what are all the social skills the children are going to need in order to engage in the way I'm going to deliver it. So if I'm going to deliver it in small groups, what do I got to teach first? How to work in a group. Then I'll get to the actual content. But if I'm going to just say, let's break up into groups, and I've got people aren't doing their job, he's just sitting there doing nothing. You know what it was like when you were in high school, right? Get into a group. Get into the group with someone who's going to do all the work. Okay? We all learn that stuff. So we're going to teach them how to do that. Don't give 7th graders a lesson, or 5th graders or 4th graders a lesson in speed and velocity in science, and give them all 2 matchbox cars and a yardstick, and expect them not to misbehave. You got to teach them first, what are we going to use these for? Not as toys today. They're going to be used for this. That has to actually be taught. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss another video. I speak and consult on school behavior, and I love to help districts solve some of these problems. See you next time.